Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have to do the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen of our device, and just to change the lock screen we should launch the settings application and then just scroll to the wallpaper section. Here you'll see the live wallpaper, photos and wallpapers folders. You can just tap here, and now we can here select for example a new wallpaper from folders from our device photos previously taken on our device, or just download it from the internet. Or here we can see also the folders with different default wallpapers, but to see and to use them you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And after that, just let's select one from this available wallpapers, for example this one. We can see how this will be look on the lock screen. Click then on the right down corner to OK and tap to the lock screen. This wallpaper set successfully, we can see the message. And now let's check and see that really we just successfully has changed the lock screen wallpaper. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while around from your device home screens, and then just tap here to the wallpapers. By the same way, you can select from your device photos the wallpaper from device wallpapers downloaded. For example, let's go with this one. We can look and we can see the look of this wallpaper on the lock screen. Then just tap here, and that's it. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.